In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date in Snowflake. You'll understand how to set up a table specifically for storing dates and how to efficiently insert date values using different methods. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about creating a suitable environment for our data. In Snowflake, when you want to store a date, you use the date data type. This allows you to represent a specific date without worrying about the time component. You start by creating a table that can accommodate your date values. In our example, we will create a table named MyTable. This table has two columns, ID, which will store integer identifiers, and MyDate, which will hold the date values. The Snowflake SQL command for this would be create or replace table MyTable, where we specify our columns and their data types. Once you've set up your table, it's time to move on to inserting date values into it. Snowflake offers several ways to insert date values, and understanding these can enrich your SQL skills. The syntax for the command is straightforward. You use the insert into statement, where you specify the table, the columns you want to populate, and the values you want to insert. Now, let's talk about the various ways you can insert dates into your table. The first method involves using a direct string literal. Here, you would insert a date as a plain string, such as 2024 to 08/15, directly into the MyDate column. This method is quite simple and easy for direct use when you have your date already in the desired format. The second method involves using the date function provided by Snowflake. This method is a bit more explicit, which can be beneficial for clarity or when dealing with dynamic expressions. When you use the date function, you write your value in a way that directly indicates it's a date, like date 2024 to 08/16. This approach ensures that Snowflake immediately understands the type of data you are working with, providing a safeguard against formatting issues. The third method utilizes the toDate function with a specified format. This method offers flexibility, particularly when your date values come in various formats or when you want to transform date strings into standardized date values. The toDate function allows you to define the input date format explicitly. For instance, toDate 2024 to 08/17 YYYMDD converts a string in the format YYYMMD into a date object, ensuring precision and consistency. And there you have it, 3 different approaches to inserting dates into a Snowflake table. By using these methods, you can manage and manipulate your date-related data with confidence and ease. Practice these steps and explore their nuances, and you'll be well equipped to handle dates in your Snowflake projects. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.